Kinder Mathematicians. Welcome back to math. Well, we spent an interesting and fun few days talking about counting forward, counting backward, our number line, and all of that we've been doing up to the number 20. But I want to go back to the number 10 just for a quick second because I want to show you something. Do you remember what this is? That's right, it's a 10 frame. And so a 10 frame helps us organize items that we can move and count, things that we can move with our hands and count them to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, because we are kindergarten smart, we are moving along on that number line. And we're not stopping at 10. We're going all the way to 20. So, how can I do a 10 frame if a 10 frame only fits 10? What can I use if I want to use something similar to a 10 frame? I know. I'm going to add another 10 frame. And it becomes a 20 frame because, friends, 10 plus 10 equals 20. And if you don't believe me, count those fingers twice. So now that I have 10 filled out, I already know that that means 10. But what if I add more on here? Let's count. Ready? So I already know that this is 10. And what comes after 10? 1? No. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So friends, this 20 frame is going to help us with seeing how much of something it is. Boy, if I had a donut in each single one of these boxes on my 20 frame, that would be a lot of donuts, right? What if I only have 11 donuts? Well, I already know that I want to keep these 10 because that's 10. But if I only have 11, that's 10. Oh, 11. Friends, what if Miss Cardoso comes by and eats 4 of them because she was really, really hungry? She forgot to have breakfast. So if she came by and ate 4 of my donuts, I would have to take away 1, 2, 3, 4 donuts. And now how many do I have left all for me? Well, I know the top one, if it's all full, if it's all filled up, it means that I have 5, right? 5 donuts right here. 6, 7. So friends, the 20 frame is really, really helpful in allowing us to count forward. We don't have to count 5 every single time because I already know the top is 5. So I just have to start from 5, 6, 7. I told you, you're kindergarten smart. Now, where we're going to talk about the teen numbers. Teen numbers. Can you say that with me? Teen numbers. So those teen numbers are the numbers that come after 10. Can you tell me what the numbers that come after 10 are? So the first one after 10 is 11. What's the next one? 12 and 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. That's right. Those are called the teen numbers. So today and tomorrow, we're going to be working with these numbers, the teen numbers, okay? So I have on Schoology a page that includes these teen numbers, each one in a little square. So it looks like this. And what you're going to do is if you are able to print it out, you can print it out. And then you're just going to cut. You're going to cut each one. So you'll have little cards. You'll have little cards of the teen numbers. Now, if you don't have a printer at home, that's okay because guess what? We can make our own. So I'm going to show you how to make your own teen number cards. So friends, the first thing I'm going to do with this piece of paper is I'm going to fold it in half. And this is called hot dog style because it looks like a long hot dog bun. Do you see that? Yum, 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 yum. Okay. So, and then I open it And I'm going to draw a line right there where I folded it, okay? Then I'm going to draw, and I'm going to put this up so you can see it better. I'm going to draw 4 lines coming down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're not perfect, and that's okay as long as you tried your best. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write those teen numbers again on this page. Do you remember what they are? Number them with me. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And then you get to cut them. We are going to cut our teen numbers. Cut them. Make little teen number cards because the name of this game is Put Them in Order. You're going to put them in order. If you want to make it a challenge between you and another friend, each one of you can make your teen cards, and then you can make it a race to see who puts them in order first. I love having competitions with math because it makes us better mathematicians. It's fun to win games. All right. So we are going to mix them up all around. Mix them up. And so you're going to put them in order. Okay. So let's see. I have this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I have this one, and this one. Okay. So now they're not in order, but I need to put them in order, right? So which one comes first? 11. I know that 11 comes first. And then maybe 13. No, 12. And then there's 13. And then there's 14. And then 15. Friends, do you see a pattern? Do you see a pattern? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's great. Now what comes after 15? 16 right there. And then 17. And then 18. And then 19. And finally 20. Oh, that didn't take me very long, but I bet I could do it faster. So what I'd like for you to do is I'd like for you to practice putting your teen numbers in order and see how fast you can go. Again, if you want that challenge, you can play with another person and see who does it the fastest. So I'm going to share my screen and we're going to see some 20 frames, just like the one that we used here. We're going to use some 20 frames, okay? And so these 20 frames are going to have some dots. Now you're not going to see these numbers. You're just going to see dots. And so your job is to figure out which number it is, because it would tell us the number of dots, which number is shown on the 20 frame. And yell it out as fast and loud as you can. Hopefully you can beat the timer. And I'm going to share my screen to this video. Are you ready? Okay. What's my number? 16. Well, friends, we already know that the top are filled. Do you see that the top is filled? The complete top is filled. That means that I have 10. And then at the bottom, I have 4 and then 2 more. So 4 plus 2 more equals 6. So 16. Let's keep going, okay? What's my number? Did you get it right? What's my number? This one's a little tricky. 13. Did you get that one right? What's my number? So friends, have fun putting these teen numbers in order. I want you to take either a picture of your teen numbers in order, or if you want to show us how you play with somebody else, that would be great too. Go ahead and submit it here on Schoology. Bye, friends. I'll see you tomorrow.